Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, are you struggling to get your PlayStation 5 connected to Boingo Wi-Fi? It's a common challenge for many gamers, especially when you're in a dorm, hotel, or other public space. But good news, because we've got an updated guide for 2025 to help you get online easily. Let's dive in and get your console ready for some serious gaming. Before we dive into the settings, let's take a few essential first steps. Always start by doing a quick power cycle of your PlayStation 5. Just turn it off completely, wait about 10 seconds, and then power it back on. Make sure you have your Boingo username and password handy too. These small actions often clear up minor glitches and prepare your system for a smooth connection process. All right, let's get into your PS5 network settings. From the home screen, go to the gear icon for settings, then select network and finally set up internet connection. Now, this is crucial. You'll need to choose Setup manually and then select Use Wi-Fi. Find the Boingo network name on the list, click on it, and simply choose Easy for the IP address and DNS settings. This prepares for the next important step. Now comes the most important part for Boingo. Once your PlayStation 5 attempts to connect, it should automatically open a web browser to the Boingo login page. This is where you enter your Boingo username and password. If the page doesn't pop up immediately, don't panic. Simply navigate to the Games and Apps section on your PlayStation, find the Internet browser icon, and launch it manually. This should trigger the login page, allowing you to finalize your connection. Congratulations! You should now be connected to Boingo Wi-Fi. It's always a good idea to run an internet connection test from your PlayStation 5's network settings to confirm everything is working smoothly. Keep in mind that public Wi-Fi like Boingo can sometimes have slower speeds or occasional drops due to many users. For the best experience, try to place your console where it gets a strong Wi-Fi signal. Enjoy your gaming, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.